In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Poparide application. Let's get started. So first thing that you want to do is find a trip. So on your application, you want to use the feature in the Poparide app or website to find a trip that fits your schedule. So you can search by origin, destination, and date to find the most suitable option. Next, review trip details. So before booking, check all the trip details, including the driver's profile and the pickup and drop-off points, and any stops. Review the driver's ratings, preference, and if the trip is instant booking or requires approval from the driver. Next, make a booking request or instant book. So to secure your seat on a trip, select request to book or instant booking if available. Now you want to enter your request, message to the driver, and the payment information. They will then place a pre-authorization payment on your card and your booking will then be sent to the driver. Next is the payment captured. So once your booking is confirmed, either after driver approval or through Instant Book, the pre-authorized payment on your card will be captured. So you will receive a confirmation and you can start preparing for your trip. And lastly, get ready for the trip. So after booking, communicate with your driver through the in-app messaging system to coordinate any final details. Make sure you are on time at the pickup location. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one.